Hello again, friends. Welcome to the flip side of CryptoCast for August 12th. I'll be your host today since Martinez is traveling. Godspeed, my friend. We have 5 stories for you today, so let's flip on in. First up, crypto market sentiment is on the rise. The total crypto market capitalization is back above $2 trillion. Of course, it's not close to the record established on May 12th, which was $2.5 trillion. Moreover, it dipped below that level after a short time. Cardano surged to a 2-month high in anticipation of smart contract announcement tomorrow. That's good. Bitcoin is facing some resistance at the $46,000 and $48,000 range, but it's knocking on the door of $50,000. Ripple's XRP price topped $1 again after GME Remittance joined RippleNet. GME is one of the biggest non-bank remittance providers in South Korea. Now, on the flip side, these are more signs of strength within the crypto space. We can expect a breather for Bitcoin as it regains momentum to push through key resistance levels. Ethereum also pushed above $3,000 per coin after burning 100 million of its supply since the recent London hard fork. All of these are positive signs. Our next story, China wants stricter regulation across multiple sectors of its economy. China just released a new 5-year plan this week. The document shows that the government wants stricter regulation across broad segments of its economy, including national security, technologies, education, digital, internet finance, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing. What else is there? The flip side. Now, this is good news for the rest of the world. If China doesn't want leading-edge technology, I'm certain developed and emerging countries such as Brazil, India, the Russian Federation, and South Africa will fill that void. Honestly, China is only hurting itself and its people. The next story, investment managers want access to crypto. The investment management firm Neuberger Berman has filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to add Bitcoin and Ethereum futures as investment options for its clients. Neuberger says it wants to bolster funds use as an inflation hedge. Where have you heard that before, my friends, right? The company currently manages over $400 billion worth of assets. Additionally, Valkyrie Investments has filed with the SEC as well to launch a Bitcoin futures ETF. On the flip side, the underlying fundamentals supporting the use case for cryptocurrencies are not changing. July inflation numbers released yesterday here in the U.S. show another 5.4% increase for July, on top of a 5.4% increase in June, on top of May's 5.0% increase. Those numbers don't even include double-digit hikes in the cost of homes, used vehicles, or gasoline at the pump. Institutional investors are seeing what you and I already know. Next up, Stellar Blockchain is serving for an established remittance corridor between the European Union and Southeast Asia. That's a mouthful, but here it is in detail. Velo Labs, together with Tempo Payments and Batazi, are launching a 17 billion cross-country payment corridor on the Stellar blockchain. It will connect Southeast Asia and all European countries. That's good. Unfortunately, the company's name and website were used by scammers in order to create fake airdrop a month ago, which brought confusion. That's bad. The flip side, cross-country funds transfers are a great use case for cryptocurrencies. They're for expat residents to send funds back to family members in home countries of origin. Now, we know scammers exist, and airdrops of free coins or tokens are a favorite ploy. Just don't participate in them, okay? The risks far outweigh the rewards, as we've seen over and over and over. And our last story for now, one more cringy entrance into crypto. Thank you, Logan Paul. YouTube influencer Logan Paul seems to enjoy getting the wrong kind of attention. After trouble with his YouTube channel where he posted footage of a dead body in 2018 and his overhyped attempt at professional boxing earlier this year, he's now decided to get into crypto. He tweeted his favorite coin was something called Dink Doink. Never heard of it. On the flip side, honestly, I'm just going to stop right there. The only reason to talk about this is to warn people not to follow investment advice from celebrities. Period. Do your own research, please. Well, that's it for this edition of the Daily Coin Flip Side of Crypto. Until next time, I'm Tor Constantino.